And finally, her sultry dance moves have courted her a legion of fans as well as controversy. But that's all in a day's work for Luningning, Wawawi's top dancer. News Bureau Chief Jing Reyes meets Wawawi's other star.
I'm from Hanover Park. I'm only here for Luningning.
Kahit walang premyo, basta makita si Luningning, okay na, happy na kami.
She may not be the star of the show, but she's definitely one of its main attractions. On stage, Leia Carla Santos, more popularly known as Luningning, is all energy. Her dance moves can make temperatures rise. But away from the spotlight, this 23-year-old is very shy. She credits Wawawi host Willie Revillame for giving her a break in show business.
Nag-audition ako. Mga 2 weeks pa lang ako yung discover ako ni Kuya Willie. Yan nga dahil flawless nga daw ako. Tapos ganyan. On the spot lang, biglaan na tinawag niya ako, pinasayaw niya ako.
Yung pagiging Luningning niya, ang nag-isip ng pangalan niya, si Direk Bobot Ortiz.
Talaga?
It was Direk Bobot, sabi niya. Pero sabi ko, maghanap tayo ng pangalan for this girl na gusto ko, Tunog Pilipina.
2 years since she joined the ASF dancers, Luningning has become a household name and is just as famous as Willie's co-hosts.
Siyempre, nakakatuwa. Ginagawa ko naman din para sa kanila lahat yun eh. Yung energy na binibigay ko sa show.
The family breadwinner, Luningning is the eldest in a brood of 6. She's always dreamed of becoming a dancer. And she'd be happy to put up her own business when it's time to leave show business.
Ang tanging pangarap lang niya, makabili siya ng house and lot. Maliit na bahay para sa kanyang mga magulang.
Luningning knows what she wants and has no qualms about the dance moves that sometimes get her in trouble with Philippine censors.
Nagagalit bang tatay mo? Hindi po. Art naman, di ba? Part naman ng dancing yung ginagawa ko eh. Tsaka marami naman nag-e-enjoy, di ba?
Ulitin natin si Luningning! Luningning! Go!
Jing Reyes, ABS-CBN News in Chicago.